easy origami ninja style. A4 size paper. Cut in half. Now cut 10 by 10 centimeters. Use ruler to cut. We need 8 pieces. We need 8 PCS to make this cool ninja star. Now let's start folding. Just follow my steps. PCS. Open and insert this on the other side. Like this. Remember, unfold. Now let's assemble. The open side always on the left corner. Insert it on the center, like this. Then turn. Insert the pointed side. Do this 8 times. Now let's fold the white side. Now insert this one. Now we need to do this on the other side. star is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Cool and easy paper kunai. I'm sure your friends will be amazed when they see this cool ninja kunai. Now let's go. First we need a cutter, glue and 3A4 size paper. First we need to cut in half. Now we have to PCS. Again cut it in half. Now we have for PCS. Let's fold. We need to do the same. Now we have for parts. Let's glue it together. Make sure you glue from here to this side. Do not put glue here. This is the first blade. Let's glue the second one. Now our blade is done. We need to make the handle. Use this to make a perfect handle. Put little glue in it. This is our handle. Now we have two blades and a handle. Let's assemble. Insert the handle here. Do the same on the other side. Now fold this and insert it here. Now your paper ninja kunai is done. If you like this video, please subscribe.